First exercise. Stand next to a wall or a sturdy object. Extend one arm out to the side and place your palm on the wall. Gently turn your body away from the wall until you feel a stretch across your chest and shoulder. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. Then switch arms and repeat. Second exercise. Stand with feet wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing outward. Lower into a deep sumo squat, placing your hands on your thighs. Gently twist your torso and press one shoulder forward while looking over the opposite shoulder. Hold the stretch for a few seconds. Return to the center and repeat on the other side. Third exercise. Sit on the ground with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind you with fingers pointing towards your feet. Lift your hips off the ground, forming a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold the position for a few seconds, then lower your hips back to the ground. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions. Fourth exercise. Start on your hands and knees with your wrists aligned under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Tuck your toes and lift your hips up and back, straightening your legs as much as possible. Press your hands into the ground and lengthen your spine, keeping your head between your arms. Hold the position, taking deep breaths, and then release after a few seconds. Repeat as necessary. Fifth exercise. Sit on the ground with your back straight and legs bent at the knees. Place the soles of your feet together and gently pre your knees towards the ground with your elbows. Lean slightly forward for a deeper stretch, holding for 15 to 30 seconds before releasing. Sixth exercise. Sit on the ground with one leg extended straight in front of you. Bend the other leg so the sole of your foot is against your opposite inner thigh. Reach forward towards your toes of the straight leg with both hands. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch legs and repeat. Last exercise. Stand tall with your arms extended straight out in front of you. Walk forward, lifting your legs straight up each time, trying to touch your toes to your hands. Keep your lifted legs straight, And don't bend the knee. Alternate legs with each step. Continue for the desired number of repetitions or distance.